In this video, I will show you how to pre-assign participants to breakout rooms in Zoom. All right, let's get started. So, first, what exactly will we cover? I will show you how to check that breakout rooms have been enabled, and then I will show you how to pre-assign participants to those breakout rooms via manual assignment, not using a CSV file. Now, there are a few prerequisites that we need. First, we do need to make sure that breakout rooms are enabled in the Zoom settings. We also need to make sure that all our Zoom participants have a Zoom account and that they will be logged in using the account associated with whatever email address we're going to use to assign them to a breakout room. Finally, Zoom breakout rooms need to be assigned via the zoom.us web portal as opposed to from within Moodle itself. All right, let's get started. So I've already signed in at zoom.us. I have instructions on how to do that in a separate video. So if you need to do that, go to zoom.us, click on sign in the upper right hand corner. Make sure that you click the symbol for Google down below the sign in fields. Don't manually type in your credentials. Click that Google symbol, and it'll ask you to enter your Google credentials associated with your school account, and then you'll be signed in. Once you're signed in, you'll start at your meetings page. So on the left-hand bar, I'm indicating over here, click on Settings. Then in Settings, click on In Meeting Advanced, and Breakout Rooms will be the second option. So then just make sure that you've ticked that little toggle there, and breakout rooms will be turned on. Next, we need to go to the meeting that we want to assign breakout rooms to. So I'm going to scroll all the way back up. And in the left-hand menu again, I'm going to click on Meetings. And now we need to find the meeting we want to assign breakout rooms to. If this is a meeting with multiple instances, like maybe a meeting that you've scheduled for a class and you've scheduled for the entire semester, it will appear here in your meeting still. You only need to find one instance of it. But find whichever meeting and click Edit. Again, if it is part of multiple instances of meetings, when you click Edit, it will ask you if you want to edit just that meeting or if you want to edit multiple instances. For example, if I click this meeting for my Calculus 1 class, it'll say edit this occurrence or edit all occurrences. So if you want these breakout rooms to apply to all of your meetings, you need to click edit all occurrences. If it's just for that one particular meeting, then edit just this occurrence. So I'm going to click Edit on this sample meeting that I've created. You'll scroll all the way to the bottom of the settings. Down at the bottom, there'll be a checkbox that says Breakout Rooms Pre-Assign. You'll click that, and then you'll click Create Rooms. So in this interface, we can create all our different rooms and begin adding individual participants to them. So I'm going to click Create Room. This will be Breakout Room 1. I can click it again to add Breakout Room 2, and so on and so forth for however many rooms that you would like to create. Then when each of those rooms, I can begin adding participants. The way you add participants is via the email address that they will be using to log into their Zoom account. So for our school, you'll be using their school email addresses. So I'll just type some examples. Example 1 at school.edu, and I click enter on that, and it will add it, and then I can add another one. Example 2 at school.edu, and then you can go down and continue to add participants in this way. And so on and so forth. Now a couple notes here. You can manually enter these rooms, you can save that, and then these breakout rooms will be assigned automatically to those participants once you start your meeting. If your participants do not sign in with the correct account associated with the email address that we just used to assign them to a room, they will not automatically be assigned, and they will stay in the main room in the lobby. So then you would need to manually move them into a room. So also, if they sign in or don't sign into a Zoom account at all and are a guest, they will also not be assigned. So you have to make sure that all your participants are not only signed into their Zoom account, but that they are signed in using the account associated with the email address that you just used to assign them to a breakout room. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks so much. Bye.